Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple, easy, inexpensive low tunnel that will extend your growing season from early spring all the way into late fall by simply warming up your soil. First thing you do is measure the inside of your raised bed or the row you're covering. Take the measurement of your width, subtract 1.5 inches, mark it, cut it, add your corner pieces to each side. A mallet can be helpful for tapping these fittings together. Next, take your length measurement, divide it by 2, and then subtract 1.5 inches. Cut 4 of those measurements, fit each side of these into a T. Connect those to your corner pieces. You're now ready to make your hoops. This will vary greatly depending on the height of your plants and the size hoop that you want. Roll out your plastic to fit. Make sure you leave enough extra plastic to do the ends. Cut the plastic to fit and drape the plastic over the hoops. Use these PVC clips to attach the plastic to the hoops. The link for these clips can be found in the description of this video. Start at one end and pull the plastic snug while clipping at the same time.